The technological journey begins with the jangling keys of the typewriter, a marvel in its era, paving the way for the modern keyboard. Enter Thomas Edison, with the incandescent light bulb illuminating homes worldwide and fueling productivity. Fast forward, Alan Turing's groundbreaking work on early computers laying the groundwork for today's digital landscape. The shift from bulky desktops to portable powerhouses, laptops, and smartphones marks a pivotal transformation, making information accessible anytime, anywhere. Now, the fascinating realm of quantum computing promises to redefine boundaries, solving complex problems at unimaginable speeds. As technology advances, one can't help but wonder about the innovations tomorrow will bring, making daily life more seamless and interconnected than ever before.